So hello everyone, thanks for clicking on this video. So today we're gonna discuss about conditional sentence. So before I start, let me introduce my name. My name is Ignasius Nanga. I'm a student from Institute Technology and Science Mandala, and I'm majoring in information system. And this is actually my final exam for English subject. So I hope I can explain this subject to you guys clearly so you guys can understand. Okay, let's start our discussion. So what are conditional sentences? A conditional sentence are sentences that show a condition and a result. They usually describe what happens if something happens. So because of that, the conditional sentence has two main parts. First one is the if clause, which shows this condition. Second one is the main clause, which shows the result. For basic example, if I close my computer, the computer turn off. So in this case, if I close the computer is the if and or the conditional, and the computer turn off is the result. Another thing, the condition can be real, unreal, possible, or impossible. This is why conditional sentences are divided into different types. The first type is zero conditional. For example, if you press the power button, the computer starts. From this example, we can see the result always happens. Every time the condition is true, the result is true. The sentence describes a fact or a general rule. If you notice the verb tense, if plus simple present, also the result is still simple present. Because zero conditional is used for facts, general truths, scientific rules, and system behavior in technology. And the second one is first conditional. This usually talks about a future situations. For example, if the system crashes, the technicians will fix it. And notice, the example talk about future situations that may happen. The system may crash and the technician may fix it. The situation is real and possible. Also notice the patterns. The patterns is a little bit different. If plus simple present, but the result is present tense. Why this is happening? Because first conditional is used to talk about real situation in the future or possible result. Next, second conditional. For example, if I had a faster laptop, I will finish the project sooner. This example describes an imaginary situation. The speaker does not have a faster laptop now, so the condition is unreal. She just imagined that, but she don't have that. The structure is if plus simple past, world plus past verb. Easiest example, if I were you, I would go to the party. It's just my imaginary, not a real situations. So second conditional is used for unreal situations, imaginary future situations, or dream suggestion and advice. Next one is the third conditional. If the developer had tested the code, the application will not have crashed. This example talk about the past. The testing did not happen. The application crashed. The situation cannot be changed. So the structure for this sentence is if plus past perfect will have plus past participate. Third conditional is used for past situation that did not happen but you regret it, you criticize it. It is a reflection on past mistakes. And if you still don't understand about the subject, let's summarize the differences. Zero conditional talks about facts and things that always happens, it always true. First conditional talks about real and possible future situations. It is possible but not happen now. Second conditional is talk about unreal or imaginary situations. It's just in your mind. Third conditional is talk about unreal situation in the past and you still regret it. The main difference between conditional sentence is time and how the real situation is. So for the conclusion, conditional sentences help us explain ideas clearly and logically. They are very useful in technology. They help explain system rule possibles, problem imagines, improvement, and past mistakes. By mastering conditional sentence, you can speak better, write more clearly, and explain your ideas more effectively. So thank you for watching this video and see you guys in the next video.